Introducing ScanAR from Durobyte, revolutionizing manual fastening processes with cutting-edge VR tracking technology. ScanAR offers 3D verification and quality control by providing real-time, high-speed tool positional data, validate tool positions, enforce rundown sequences, verify operator actions, and automatically select torque settings per each bolt. Ensure proper rundown sequences by enabling the fastening only in correct regions, complemented by visual guidance and feedback for the operator. Maintain control of your rundown process, featuring robust positioning in complex environments, compatibility with any torque system, and supporting multiple tools per workstation. Our system is designed for ease of use, with a base station that covers a large area and lightweight trackers that ensure seamless operation. Experience hassle-free setup with automatic calibration and tool center point calibration for enhanced precision. Seamlessly integrate with existing processes and communicate directly with industrial control systems. ScanAR from Durobyte. Discover more at Durobyte.com.